day everyone, my name is Bie Jian Xiang. So my good members are Nai Shijie, Hui Jingshun, and Don Bukhari. So for this SEMM 4533 system design project, our group are needed to design a portable stock patient transfer device. So why we want to design this? So this is to assist the caregiver in doing the transfer process of the stock patient from one place to another place, and then it can reduce the human error and the injury risk either to the caregiver or the patient. Okay, next. So this table shows the list of words or the function of our design. So for our design, we focus on the function move function. So it can transfer the patient from one place to other place. Next, adjustable function. So the height of the seat should be adjustable so that it's available from the different height of the patient. So lift patient function. So it can help patient to get out from the patient seat in cast on bed easily without by themselves. So it is by using the device to lift them out without them need to use force to get out, something like that. Okay, so for the store activity history function, so our device also can able to check the heart rate of the patient. Okay, next, safety function. So our device have a safety belt. Besides that, we also having the customer also having the brake at the lock to lock down so that to prevent the device to move during the transferring process. And then seat function. So on our seat, we also provide the cushion material for the seat so that user can sit on it very comfortably. So seven is the support. Excuse me. Is to provide the excuse me is to provide the pivot point for the patients when they want to move. Okay. So the last one is the handle. It's for the caregiver used to transfer the patient. Besides that, patient also can hold the handle during the transferring process. Okay, next I will show the full example of our design, and then I will demonstrate the function. Okay, as you can see, this is our design. So the bottom one is the U-shape base is the for the main support purpose and then the under the U-shape base is the caster wheel with the brake is the caster wheel with the brake. Okay, caster wheel with the brake and then have the control box inside, have the motor to control the hydraulic cylinder to works, and then this is the support 1 and then support 2. This is a support function and then this is the handle for caregiver, okay, to push one, and then we have the hydraulic cylinder to lift the patient one. Okay, besides there also the support tree, and then okay, so this one is the patient handle, and then this one is a sling bag. Okay, so I will explain the lifting function for the adjustable and the lifting functions first. So as you okay, this is the condition. So we want to transfer the patient from the bed, and then okay, so we need to give the patient to sit on the sling bed first okay, so this is the situation when the patient sit on the sling bed first, and then okay, so after the patient sleep on the sling bag, okay, so okay, and then okay, we can use the remote control to control the motor to operate the hydraulic cylinder, to operate the hydraulic cylinder to lift up the support tree. Okay, so when we operate the hydraulic cylinder, okay, it will lift the patient, okay, from the bed so it can do the transferring process and then after it lift up the patient, okay, so the customer can move, we can use the customer, we can use the handle. Okay, so the caregiver can use the handle to push the device okay, So okay, after read out the patient from the bag, okay, the caregiver will use the handle to pull the device, okay, do the transferring process. So the customer wheel can help to do the transferring process. And then we also have support 3, okay, support 2, okay, support 2. Okay, wait. And then we can, when we want to transfer the patient back to the bed, okay, so you just use the remote control to control the motor, and then leave make it. Okay. Okay. So okay, you just control the support key to downwards. Okay, okay, something like that. Okay, so this is a adjustable. Okay, you can up and down. It is adjustable. The support tool is adjustable according to different height of the patient. So maybe the patient is too high, it can use the support tool to adjust the height. Okay, and then okay, just now I also show the lifting patient from the back, and then we also show the moving function. And then okay, inside our sling bag, okay, we have cushion material, so the patient can sit very comfortably. And then for the caster, we will have the brake, during the brake to lock down during the transferring process, you can fix it. And then we also have the safety belt, okay, okay, safety belt. Safety belt can be ensure the safety of the patient during the transferring process. Okay, so for the handle, the patient hand during the transferring process, the patient can hold the handle. Okay, can hold the handle. Okay, inside the handle, it has the heart rate sensor. It can detect the heart rate of the patient, and then when the patient hold it, and then when the it can save the data to the cloud base, and then we can use the phone. Okay, we can use the phone to log in the cloud-base, and then we check the data of the heartbeat rate of the patient. Okay, okay, that's all of our demonstration of the function of our design. Thank you.